In North Mindanao, Philippines, there's a place most travellers don't know about. There are no crowds here, no hotel chains, no international fast food conglomerates. Just a place where life moves to the rhythm of the sea. Some Filipinos, they told us not to come. Stories of mystery, of cults and strange happenings. But what we found was something else entirely. Perhaps one of the most underrated, incredible places in the country. Locals call it the magical island. This is Dinagat.
So good day and welcome here to the island of Dinagat. Is it Dinagat or Dinagat?
I don't know. Dinagat.
Come with a local, they say. So this is maybe a 1.5 hour ride via ferry from Surigao City. And we're going to spend the next few days here discovering what they class as the magical island. We're going to find out why. But we're currently in San Jose. Today is some kind of festival or, I don't know, fiesta or something like that. So we're going to spend the last few hours of the current day and we're going to go out and check it out. So come with us. They just give us a little ticket, put a little marker on our nail. What did they do that for?
I don't know.
We're going to vote. Wow, there's a lot of people.
They're all staring at you.
They're staring at you, not staring at me. Don't make me self-conscious.
We didn't plan this. We just happened to show up on the one day the whole island exploded into colour and sound. They call this Bugkosan, a celebration of Dinagat's identity, marking the day this island became its own province. It's a moment of pride, of unity, when every town across the island comes together to honour what makes this place unique. Started earlier, right outside our hotel. Drums, dancers, the kind of energy that makes you forget where you are. We thought that was the festival. Turns out it was just a warm-up. Thousands of people gathered by the evening, shoulder to shoulder, laughing, sweating, waiting, and even Jollibee made the trip over from Surigao City. And when the music hit, it wasn't just a performance, it was a pulse. A living, breathing thing that ran through the entire place. For us, it was the perfect, unexpected way to begin our time here.
Good morning and welcome to the next day. It's currently 7 AM in the morning and we're about to hit the waves and do some island hopping. This place is unreal. Let's look at the landscape here.
Welcome to the Blue Lagoon, one of the most outrageously beautiful places I've ever seen. A slice of paradise that looks like something from Coron. Only here, there's no one else around. Just the sound of wind and water and that feeling you get when you realise you found something special.
I think this might be, as far as I'm concerned, at least the ones that I visited, the most varied and beautiful, yet simultaneously just like completely unvisited island. Like nobody comes here. I haven't seen another single traveller or foreigner since I've been here. I'm not sure if the lady doing the karaoke there is killing it or killing us.
I'll be honest, we're not exactly morning people. Waking up early was tough. Out here, with water like this and no one else around, I couldn't think of a better way to start the day, nor a better person to share it with.
I think I just had a little accident trying to get into the boat.
Oh my god. It's a bit.
I'm literally fall right down in my bum, haven't I? Oh, gosh. These are my only swimming shorts as well. It's right down the crack, isn't it? Oh god. That was a dramatic end to a beautiful beach. It's a full moon, baby. So this place here is one of the jump off points for the island hopping, but it is also a resort. Chris and Carol from Jumping Places, they stayed here last month, and I think the cost of a night here was 2,500. Everything on this trip so far has kind of gone very smoothly and purely by accident, and today is no different because for some reason I figured I'll bring a second pair of shorts. Unbeknownst to me, I had no reason why, and thankfully I did, because now that's the result. Look at the state of that. I think they've seen better days. They're going to retire to the swimming shorts graveyard. This place is extremely well set up. All of this boardwalk they've built over the water. Yeah, and they've got these diving boards just like in Sugba. Another one here as well. You just go in the water, go for a swim, paddle out to the little platform over there. That'd be a great little hotel room, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it? See what's up here. Maybe like a viewpoint. It must be a popular place because when you see the amount of effort they've gone into to build it, various rooms and even just the area where Sam is over here. Big area with tables and karaoke machine. I don't think you would build all of that if people didn't come. What a place to live this would be. It's like a real life water world. The last leg there, coming from Jalmers, it was pretty choppy, so it was hard going in certain places, kind of like battling against the waves.
Like the other spots we'd seen that day, this one was quiet. No crowds or noise, just a handful of palm trees, a few cats and dogs, and that same impossible shade of blue. There wasn't much happening here, and that was kind of the point. We just slowed down, took it in, and let the day drift by. A hard life for sure.
This is Bitaog Beach. I think I'm saying that right. Apparently there's a little pathway up here to a viewpoint, so let's take a little peek. Isn't that gorgeous? Despite layering up multiple times with factor 150 sun cream, I'm still burning. It's very, very, very hot at the minute.
So soft.
So this is the last stop here on our island hopping tour. Tomorrow we're going to go and do a land tour. So we're going to rent a scooter, drive through the island and hopefully see some incredible sights. So come with us for the next section of this video.
Bye.
Good morning, welcome to the next day. This is our courier, our ride for the day, and we're going to go and cruise the island, see what sights we can find. And we're already 2 minutes into the journey, finding beautiful scenes exactly like this. Hopefully we're in for some incredible scenes today. Some incredibly sweaty scenes because it's very hot.
Yeah.
Well, let's go. Take a look at here at this scenery. You've got these rolling hills just going right into the distance. Very reminiscent for me for like coming up in parts of Sri Lanka. Could be right in the Mediterranean or something. Are we in Greece?
Yeah, I was gonna say that. Mamma mia. Here we go again.
I think someone's suffering from the sun. Dinner is served. We didn't have a particular destination, but as we rode through the island's interior, it became clear that Dinagat isn't about ticking off waterfalls or famous viewpoints. It's about the ride itself. The quiet hum of the scooter, the empty roads, the kind of calm that's hard to find in the Philippines these days. There aren't many signs pointing to attractions, or maybe that's the point. Dinagat doesn't need to try. The drama of the mountains and the stillness of the coves, it's all just there, waiting to be explored. And yet, you can feel that this place is changing. Locals are ready to welcome more visitors. They're proud of what they have, and they should be. It feels like a sleeping giant. Still raw, still real, holding on to something special that's hard to find anywhere else. And if you ever needed a reminder that the Philippines still has hidden corners left to discover, this might be it.